Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isnaini Solihah. Critical opinions or making journal analysis. Title Journal Impact of Smartphones on Young Generation by Sabir Ahmad Ratar. Number 1. What do you think about the news of impact of smartphones on young generation? I think this journal provides knowledge about the impact of smartphone on the younger generation, and the impact is good and there is also bad, and explains about the various use of smartphone of young people. Number 2. Do you agree with the writer? Yes, I agree with the author that smartphone can have a bad or good impact, especially for young people, and also the smartphone provides many benefits it if used properly. Number 3, smartphones are very important and wonderful communicative tools used by all age group people, especially young generation. Without smartphone, one feels incomplete and it has become the need of all. It has brought a plethora of information resources within the palm of one's hand and has bridged the communication gap via social networking sites. People remain in touch and come to know very development in all walks of life within no time on social media. The impact of smartphones is visible in all areas of life includes business, education, health, marketing, social life, etc. But it is not out of place to mention here that every technology has its pros and cons within. It has also caused various healthy hazards and brought miseries to people, especially children, which include eye strain, neck and back pain, hypertension, etc. The present study is an attempt to explore and examine the impact of smartphone on the life of young generation. Objective: to explore the significance and importance of smartphone in the modern world, to examine the pros and cons of using smartphones, to highlight the impact of smartphones on the life of young generation. The scope of the present study is restricted to us an impact of smartphone on the social and physical life of young generation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Smartphones are very important and wonderful communication tools used by all a group people, especially young generation. With internet access, anything, anytime, anywhere, anything that happens can spread around the world in seconds. However, smartphones also greatly affect social life. Smartphones are really needed. But besides that, smartphones certainly have positive and negative impacts for people who use them. One of the positive impacts is the ease of communication with each other, while the negative impact is causing addiction of the younger generation. However, when viewed today, the impact of using smartphones has many negative impacts compared to the positive impacts, because many young people today are abusing the use of smartphone with things that are not useful. Smartphones are wonderful navigational tools and facilitate the world of information research on one's fingertips. Smartphones have brought a massive change in the lifestyle of people. However, it has also brought negative effects when not used properly. Especially teenagers are mostly addicted to it and cause negative result on them both health problems. A new phobia has been developed known as nomophobia, or fear of being without a phone. Is very common problem found among teens and kids. Further health-related issues like nerve problems, anxiety, and depression are other seriously concerns. Offers of smartphone may lead to physiology and psychology complications. However, keeping things in moderation and restricting usage hours goes a long way in ensuring their well-being as well as inculcating good behavioral habits, morals, and education. Yes, I agree with what the author wrote. Apart from being a very important means of communication, smartphones have many use or positive impact. Besides that, smartphone use also have negative impacts. It all depends on how someone uses or applies the use of a smartphone properly.
Hello, my name is Putri Alivia Harita Septiani, NIM 211226162. In this assignment, discuss about the use and impact of smartphone. Impact positive or negative very use of smartphone vary and the effects also vary, especially for student or young generation. I will provide critical analysis regarding my journal read, the one entitled Impact of Smartphone on Young Generation. Not enough, more I agree to content in that journal. Smartphone, found on 1992, is device capable electronic work by effective with various features. In accordance with the name, the smartphone is successful show something special as to create navigation normal, facilitate easy word, fast and affordable search information is at the end finger. Smartphones have become to create communication important and outside common among child young. Somebody possible feel no complete without using smartphone because smartphones have revolutionized all affairs human start from education and research, business, health, sports, entertainment, etc. In every opportunity certain good in place general, place work or family or get together. Everyone stays related with him. So this already becomes part from life individuals who do not can avoid it. However, smartphone use has influenced to life social, psychological, as well as people's psyche, especially young people. And the positive impact, smartphone technology is awesome tool normal for support various services and people feel more good. Smartphone with availability of social media platform is factor key for provide many services. Communicate with people, learning, development business, development personality, entertainment, health, online shopping, and other. Cole conclude that technology this has revolutioned method life public in all affairs, development and open street for got many feature for angel life individual. And the negative impact? Use continuous application continuously and increased by significant social degradation, society, trouble interaction between public or interaction among parents and child, distraction anxiety, depression, problem health on eye, distraction health on nerves, etc. Smartphone use for children being held during hours of gaming to cause effect danger. For example, a brain tumor because effect radiation, activity brain disturbed, and non-access media proper and malpractice academic if lack of supervision from parents. Smartphone used to cause phenomenon serious addiction. So, because it can conclude from the above that smartphone addiction has been developed and a place that is not could avoided in life someone. People are very dependent to her so that generation young feel that life no could work with fluence without it. As a result, there are effects that has identified so far. This and still many what else to do is known in study more continued. And for use, risk that caused by exercise, smartphone call to do a number of things. Keep the smartphone away when sleep, especially on children, because they are susceptible to affect radiation. Reduce use of smartphone during study hours and playtime so as not disturbing concentration learn it and so that the child have a sense of social and empathy to environment around. Monitoring parent to kids online activities if age child not yet sufficient. Education smartphone use about impact positive and the negative for all.
Hello, my name is Riyaja Novianti. ID number 211221163. Number 1. What do you think about the news of the as an effect on smartphone in student? Effect of smartphone in student has both positive and well as negative impacts. It can as introductory remember educational and strengthen it. On the other side, as distraction, extra you will doing important assessment with evaluate navigation and disrupt social life. Also, creates nuisance at worship plans like masjid, mandis, carcass it. Number 2, do you agree with the reader? Yes, I agree with the reader because according to reality. 3. Summer read what the reader say. Smartphones are very important and wonderful community tools us by all age group people, especially you generation. The first smartphone was invented by IBM in 1992, known as a Siemens smartphone. This was a big breakthrough in the fight at technology and for the requirement of people. Smartphone as name itself indicates something special. Facility easy and affordable world of information records. The news of introduced to us of smartphone by young generation is divided under the following head. A. As the mobile phones overall view. B. As of smartphone the positive impact. And C. Uh, as of smartphone the negative impacts. It can be called the smartphone are wonderful navigation, tools and facilitate
the world of information, resources, and unexpected types. Smartphones have brought a massive change in the style of people and the still comfortable in offering us a fast platform for communication and access to a wide range of application anything, anytime, and anywhere happening in the world comes to be known within no time. Enough of me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What do you think about the news of the use and effect at smartphone as student? Make social network Azure and smartphone become very important communication tools. But smartphone great affect social, psychosocial, and physical life. Therefore, there are positive and negative impact when using a smartphone. Use of smartphone, the positive impact. Smartphone technology is wonderful tool to support various service and the people feel better positive. With smartphone, with the availability of social media platform are key factor for providing service better way to communicate with people, learning, business, and other negative impact. Use of smartphone can exacerbate the artists be aggressive texting on mobile phone and sometimes shorter velvet blue light emitted by smartphone cause health hazard like nerve pain, back pain. Reading on smartphone is worse for learning and comprehension too. Do you agree with the reader? Yes, I agree because I understand the positive and negative about using smartphone. 3. Summary what the read say. Conclude that the smartphone is a extraordinary navigation tool and make it easier for someone to get only work on shop online and other, and positive and negative impact on smartphone use.
Number one, my opinion about the use of smartphones in students is that many students use smartphones for positive things such as making it easier for them in education entertainment. But on the other hand, there are various negative effects if not used properly, such as vision problems, headaches, and back pain, brain tumor. Number two, agree, because smartphones are wonderful navigation tool and facilitate the world of information resources on your fingertips. Smartphones have brought a massive change in the lifestyle of people, and they feel comfortable in offering user a vast platform for communication and access to a wide range of applications. Anything, anytime, and anywhere happening in the world comes to be known within no time. Number three, smartphones are one of the most innovative and communicative tools in the present world. Smartphones give people entertainment with various apps like play games, music, movies, etc. It also facilitates users in social interaction via various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, but it has negatively affected life too, like it can develop compulsive behavior, can create problems like security risk, hack for even speed open. The positive impact smartphones with the availability of social media platform are key factor for providing service with better way to communicate with people, learning, business, and other applications. The negative impact people use smartphones at least 5 hours a day and also use of apps increases significantly, and with the result use degradation in physical social interaction, distraction, addiction, health problems. Mobile phone safety tips to address the risk. Avoid giving cell phones to children to the minimum, as young children are vulnerable to effect of the radiation. It is advisable to take extra care if there is a mobile phone tower on your building or nearby. The even close to the school, since their exposure to radiation is more than usual. Completely restrict your child from taking phones to the school. Keep the school contact number and the mayor in case of an emergency.